Welcome back to my Color Lab series. I'm Kibou. This is episode 1 of me mixing pure color and black. Many apologies to unorganized episode of the Color Lab. What happened was, behind the screen, I made new color palettes by mixing the colors. However, the colors I made new were not in order of the Prismacolor set. There are too many pure colors already given by Prismacolor pencil that I couldn't do all of them at once. So I decided to divide and conquer by doing small amount of color groups first. So I'm using a basic 12 Prismacolor set and using only these colors to make new colors. It's easier for me to organize, it's easier for me to find which color I have not mixed so that I could show you guys what it looks like. In color theory, when you mix pure color and black, you will create a color known as shade. Shade is a darker tone from the pure color. This process will darken any pure colors by mixing black. Of course, it depends how much black you want to mix with a pure color to create shades. Today, I'm only focusing on simple version of shade. To create shade, make sure you mix pure color and black equally, 50-50. If you like these type of videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you next time.